right, so make sure we got our own piece of paper. Make sure you've added those numbers in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number. Yeah, we are going to go across so that our numbers match up. If you don't want to work it in that order, that's fine. All right. Making sure we have a piece of paper to do our work on. I'm going to start with number 1. Number 1, I'm going to write up my first number, 800.54, and then go ahead and put that decimal underneath, making sure I form a line with my decimals. Let's see if I can get this to focus better. All right, what's going to go in front of that second decimal? What am I writing in front of that, Keegan? 90, and what am I writing behind it? 52. Okay. All right, I don't care that the front numbers aren't lined up as long as I've got them lined up in the back. So do I need to add any zeros here? No, we're not going to have to add any zeros. Everything's lined up. It is addition. Always double check, make sure we're doing the right operation. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 and 5. 10. Carry my 1. If you want to go ahead and write your decimal down in between, you can. 1, 0, and 0 is 1. 0 and 9 is 9. And then we have our 8. So there's number 1. Okay? Good. Number 2. And I'm not going to do all of them with you. I'm just going to make sure we're getting started. For number 2, I have 343.4. All right, that 5 doesn't have a decimal. So what is that? Where does the decimal go if it doesn't have one? It goes at the end. Remember, it's like a period in a sentence. It's the number period. So if you need to add one, it goes at the end. All right, is everyone okay with where I put that period? Okay, so I'm going to put my period or my decimal. It's like a math period. All right, and what's going to go in front of that decimal now? The 5. Do I need any zeros this time? Yes, I'm going to add one underneath the 4. All right, I wanted to make sure we got to look at number 2 together because that had that whole number where we had to add a decimal. All right, so now adding those up, 4 plus 0? 4. Keep my decimal there, bring it down. 3 plus 5? 8. Then bring down our 4 and our 3. Very good. Okay. All right, we'll look at number 3 real quick, and then I'm probably going to let you keep going on your own from there. All right, number 3 said 94.9, and putting my decimal underneath, making sure they're lined up. All right, what's going to go in front of that decimal, Gabriella? 94. We already have our 94.9. 41, yeah, that second number, so 41. What's going to go behind that decimal? Haley. 871. All right, and we are subtracting. Do I need any zeros on this one? You got to add a 0 on top of those two numbers that don't have anything. Okay, we are subtracting, so we need to be very careful with our borrowing. And you can see, guys, I'm giving myself plenty of space when I'm spacing these numbers out. 0 minus 1, can I do that? No. Can I borrow from 0? Can I borrow from 9? Yes, 9 becomes 8. I'm going to pass that 1 next door. Now can I borrow from 10? Yes, 10 becomes 9. I'm going to pass that 1 next door. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 8, 0. Make sure we keep our decimal there. 4 minus 1, and 9 minus 4. All right, guys, I want you to keep working on your own. If you have questions, I'll be happy to answer them.